Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a calculator in Scratch. So I just made some few changes. I added a backdrop. I deleted the sprite costumes and made it invisible. I made three variables: second number, first number, and final answer. So let's get on to the video. So I think first we said go to x x0 and minus 20 when we like split, and we wait 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. After that, we take a forever and ask, enter, enter, enter first number. And then we set first number to answer. We duplicate and we paste. First, and we do second number, and we make this second number. Not second, this one second number. And then after this is done, we wait a second. What to do? Yeah. After that, set an if one. If oh wait. Yeah. First we add here. Ask, then enter the operation. And then if answer, if equals to sign. Oh wait, yeah, sorry. Yeah, and we also make one answer. You just delete that and do not show that. And do the operation set answer to answer, like this. And then if answer is equal to addition, addition, then set final answer. Oh wait guys, if you do not know, this is final answer, so I've put it in large mode and kept it here. Addition, set final answer to so this is addition, right? So you take an addition sign, final answer to first number plus second number. And after you've done that, we literally duplicate this. And wait, I forgot to tell you guys. First we add. Sorry. We go to here, hide variable. Just put this for final answer, and final answer, and final answer. So just take that and hide final answer in the first thing, and then show variable final answer when it's here. Yeah. So final answer to, yeah, and now subtraction. Subtraction, and a final answer. Yeah, and we had to take minus signs, not plus signs. Yeah. Sorry guys, I have a little cough. But yeah, so we take minus sign, first number, and second number. We again duplicate this whole thing and make this multiplicate. just to add. See, add, subtract, and multiply, and divide. And then after you do this one's gonna be like this. Wait a second. Yeah. What? And then here. And then we delete this thing and then take a multiplication sign. First number multiplied by second number. Then we do divide. And then this. But I forgot that. Say for 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds. And say this. Say this. Say this. And say this. And now you duplicate this whole thing and keep it here. Yeah, wait a second. And guys, and if answer is equal to square, it's bare, square, so I'll just do square root, and then that's done. Then you set final answer to square root of square root of answer of and then wait a second. It's the square root of, you take an and. Okay, that is not happening. It's okay. Not the square thing. We're not the square thing, but this is a basic calculator. So yeah, it's just done. Let's see. We know that 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So into the first number, if I enter the first number, what will 6, 7, operation multiply 42. Yes. Okay. And this is nice. But if you want to add square root and stuff, I'll show you how. I'll just minimize this. And I'll make another. If in the beginning you'll say if you want to find out square, and I'm doing square root, click R, no, click S, and then click Q, and we say this for 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and when the green flag is clicked, Oh wait, no. When um Q pressed, key pressed, ask ask which number which number which number which which numbers square root do you want to? Yeah. And then if and then set answers square root, not spare root, square root, answer square root. That's like that. Set answer square root. Wait, no. Set answer square root um to answer, and then we set, and then wait for 1 second. Wait for 0, not 1 second, actually 0.3 second, and then set a final answer. Wait, yeah, sorry. When the green flag is clicked, also make another one. Final answer square root. So that is gonna happen. When the green flag is clicked, hide variable answer square root. What? No, final answer square root. Wait a second. Okay. That's done. Show answer variable square root. No, show variables answers. Not here right now. Yeah, here. Show variable and final answer square root, and set final answer square root to square root of answer square root. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this calculator works, but does this calculator work? So I'm gonna. Oh wait, what? Oh, okay, got it. First I had to hide the variable. Yeah. First, if you want to find out a square root, click Q. I want to find out Q. Which number square do you want? I want what's the square root of 9? 3. Okay, so if I put 9, 3. Okay, nice. Okay, and then stop all. This stop all, because it's very important to stop all, or just do that. And then after this also, we'll stop all. Nah, not after this. We'll not stop all. What? No, we'll stop all. Oh yeah, we'll do. Does it work? Wait, and we'll just large it out, and I'll put it here. Ah, no. Q. Do it's 9. Okay, I want this to be. Okay, let's do this, and I want this to be here. Alright, now, Q. What is 18 square root? 9 multiplied by 9? Nah. 18 doesn't have a square root. 9 multiplied by 81. Okay. 81. 81 it's actually 9. Let's see, 9. Nice. Okay. Let's just put this 0.1 second. So let's see. Q. Oh wait. Oh wait. I just did a mistake. Before all of this, yeah. Now I'll do Q. I want 81 square root, and it's 9. Woo, done. And bye, guys. See you next time. Peace and love from me.